In the basement, looking at, this is a 75% or 75,000 BTU, 80% efficient Heil furnace. We're going to look at replacing. So first thing, the return drop is way undersized, so we're just going to pre-make a return drop, re-drop it down right here. You can see that they didn't take all the notches out to get the full width of pulling the return, so it's going to help us get a little bit better airflow up to the second floor by making this return drop a little bit bigger. So we're going to, on the furnace only option, or on both options, we're going to replace the return drop. Most likely going back with an 80%er because we already have an existing flue liner in here. So we'll connect into the existing liner, just redo our 4-inch flue pipe going over. New furnace, this furnace is 15.5. New furnace is going to be 17.5 wide. So if we go with the furnace only option, we will have to make a transition between the furnace and the coil. Don't just set the 15.5 inch wide coil right on top of the furnace. So we'll have to make two transitions, one from the furnace to the coil and then from the coil up. But if we do the whole system, we'll have B width on both. They'll both be 17.5 wide, so you can just set the coil right on the furnace. Move the electric. Obviously, it's not going to go there on the new furnace because on the new furnace, our new drop is going to go the full width of the furnace. We're just going to have to rework a little bit of the gas line, not much, but it's going down. We've got a shut off here. Our condensate drain, so replace the whole drain with vinyl. So as you can see here, it runs out, runs over, runs around over to there. So replace the drain with the vinyl. I've got the measurements on the drop, our refrigerant lines. So if we do replace the whole thing, we're going to have to replace the refrigerant lines because you can see here we've got 3/8 coming out of the coil, but it goes into 1/4 inch. So we got to replace it if it's going to R410A. So as you can see, it runs up here, runs out. See right where it goes out back there, all unfinished. So we would only need a 25-foot line set. Yeah, probably a 25-foot line set should cut it. And that's it. No, there's not a walkout, right?
There's one.
Oh,
right there.
Oh, never mind. There is a walkout, so that'll make things a little bit easier. I have to go up and downstairs.